most fussy eaters have two favorites, that's potatoes and pizza. Today I'm bringing both of these together in a recipe that's called Pizza Cutlets. Let's see how it's made. I'm going to start by preparing a homemade sauce. Starting off with 2 teaspoons of oil, add in 2 cloves of garlic to this. This is puree of half a kg of tomatoes. Adding in some salt to taste. We're going to stir and cook the tomato puree properly till most of the liquid has evaporated. I'm just going to add in 1 teaspoon of pizza seasoning to this. Mix this up. And now I'm going to add in a few more veggies to turn it into a filling for our pizza cutlets. I have 1 onion here, half a capsicum, and 1/3 cup of corn. I'm just going to cook this for about a minute. I'm going to turn off the flame, adding in a pinch of salt for all the veggies that we just added, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Remove the filling in a bowl and let it cool completely. Let's prepare the potatoes for our cutlet. I have 3 boiled potatoes that have been boiled and peeled. I'm going to simply grate them now. We're going to season the potatoes with some salt, little bit of crushed black pepper, and around a tablespoon of corn flour. I'm going to mix this with my hands and form a soft dough out of it. Now I'm going to divide this into medium-sized balls. I'm going to make a quick corn flour slurry now. This is 3 tablespoons of corn flour. To this I'm adding 3 tablespoons of water. Just mix it well. And our slurry is now ready. Let's start preparing our cutlets now. For that I'm going to add in some cheese to our filling. I'm adding in half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Giving it a quick mix. Let's start shaping our cutlets now. I'm going to oil my hands so that the potato filling does not stick to my hands. Picking up 1 portion, I'm going to flatten it out. And I'll just curve my hands so that there is space for a little bit of filling. Now I'm going to spoon in a filling, flatten it, and I'll close all of these gaps. Just try to bring it together in the center and start pinching it together, turning it into a cutlet shape. I'm going to prepare all the other cutlets in the same way. Before placing it on the plate, apply a little bit of oil so that it comes off very easily. There are few things that you need to take care of while preparing the cutlets. The first thing is that your filling should be quite dry so that it doesn't ooze out. To make the panning process easy, I'm going to add the slurry to a plate. Carefully lift a cutlet, add it to the slurry first, and then in the breadcrumb mixture. Press it gently and dust off the excess. I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. Our pizza cutlets are now ready to fry. If you feel like they're breaking or they're a little extra delicate, you can place them in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. I have a pan over here in which I'm going to shallow fry the cutlets now. Once the pan is a little hot, add in oil. Once the oil is hot, place in your cutlets. I'm going to flip this one more time. This is exactly the color that I'm looking for. Now that they are crispy from both sides, I'm going to take it off onto a plate. I'm going to fry the other cutlets in the same way. Our super simple, easy to prepare pizza cutlets are ready to serve. If you want, you can also grate a little bit of processed cheese on top. I'm sure your kids are going to love this recipe. Give this fusion recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.